Hello friends, in our previous session we saw what is NPO and its accounting books, right? Now today we are going to apply the knowledge of accounting to prepare financial statement of Star Sports Club, and this is a non-profit organization. They want to prepare their financial statement, so they came to us with this information. These are the transactions which happened in a year. So first of all, we prepare receipt and payment account to know what are the receipts and payments and what is cash balance. First, we'll put opening cash balance. Then we'll record all the receipts. First, there is subscription, donation. It is said that 50% of donation should be capitalized. We will record both the donation here because receipt and payment account records both capital and revenue, income and expenses. Then we have entrance fees. Then sale proceeds of newspaper and the other receipts. Let's record. Yes, done. Then we have payments, salary, fixed deposit. There are other expenses. Then we have furniture purchased, investment made, and finally we got the balance of cash and bank. Now we can proceed to prepare income and expenditure account with the help of this receipt and payment account. So let's begin. Let's first record all the receipts. We have subscriptions. And there is a note that there are some outstanding and prepaid subscriptions. So, we'll add outstanding subscription of current year and we'll deduct last year outstanding because it has been included in the last year subscription amount. And also we'll deduct prepaid subscription and add the last year prepaid subscription because it has not been included in the last year's balance sheet. Nothing is difficult here. Current year's outstanding and last year's prepaid will be added because the service of the same has been provided in the same year, and last year's outstanding will get deducted because it has been accrued in the last year itself, and the current year's prepaid will be deducted because the service for the same has not been provided yet. And the second effect of the same will be in the balance sheet. That too only the current year outstanding and prepaid, not the last year's because it has been recorded already. Then we have donations. So we'll record here half and other half will be in the balance sheet. Same way entrance fees also, half will come here and other half will be in the balance sheet liabilities side. Then we will record other incomes. Done. Let's move on to the payment side. Same way like subscriptions, there is some outstanding and prepaid salary. It will also have same effect. Current year outstanding and last year's prepaid will be added and the last year's outstanding and current year's prepaid will be deducted. And the second effect of the same will be in the balance sheet. Then the other expenses. Let's check whether we have missed anything. Yes, in the note, there is one more expense which is sport material consumed. Let's record it here. Done. Let's see whether it is surplus or deficit. So here the income is more than expenses. So there will be a surplus and this will go in the balance sheet Now let's finally prepare the balance sheet. Let's record fixed assets. Furniture has been purchased, then land and building, then there are some investment and fixed deposit, then we have cash balance from the receipt and payment account, and the prepaid expenses and outstanding income. Then there is one more, which is stock of sport material. Now how we'll get the closing stock of sport material? Here we have opening stock of sports material, and from that we can deduct material consumed this year, and the balancing figure will be the closing stock of sports material. Let's record it here. Then all the liabilities other than capital fund, there is prize fund, charity fund, and the current liabilities, outstanding expense and prepaid income. Let's check once again. We have filled up all the figures. No, we have missed capital fund. Let's record it here. Done. Now if we check the totals, it will tally. See how easy it was? Nothing was different. All the accounting treatment and principle will be same for all type of organization, be it a joint stock company or sole proprietorship or partnership or non-profit making organization. So this was all about NPO. We hope you have enjoyed this session. Please hit the like button and do share it with your friends. Post your comments and feedback in the comment box given below. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Till then, keep watching and keep learning. Thank you.